Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Dallas County in north central Texas until 10:15 p.m. At 9:12 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 4 miles southwest of Cocoa Hill, moving east at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Cocoa Hill around 9:20 p.m., Dallas, Highland Park and University Park around 9:45 p.m., Hutchins around 9:50 p.m., Mesquite and Bulk Springs around 10:10 p.m., Sunnyvale, Garland and Drowlett around 10:15 p.m. This will impact the following interstates. Interstate 35 east between mile markers 418 and 434. Interstate 30 between mile markers 26 and 52. Interstate 45 between mile markers 279 and 284. Interstate 635 between mile markers 14 and 29. A tornado watch is in effect for the warning area. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with little or no warning. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Thursday morning for north central Texas. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth